Hello, first graders. Welcome to our second lesson for our new topic, topic 2, understanding subtraction. Remember, last week we learned how to make sums of 6 and 7, and then we knew that how to subtract and find the missing part for 6 and 7. Today, you will be finding the missing parts for number 8. So get your math sheet, 2-2, topic 2, lesson 2, page 45, and let's start. All right. If we remember what we covered last week, I have some drawing and examples for you here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's say in all we have 6. The part I know, 2. So I'm gonna shade 2 box. The missing part. So what we do, you said the part I know, or the whole. This is the whole number, 6. The part I know, 2. This is the part I know. So I put I know, and that will be 2. And this is the missing part. But because you see it and it's not hidden, you can see the missing part is 4. All right, let's do an example with 8. And we have nothing there. So in all, I have 8. The part I know, let's say 5. So I'm gonna draw 5 boxes. Or 5 counters. So this is the part I know. Okay, so now I need the missing part. We said that the total is 8. So I can just draw on a side for myself. I can say, okay, I have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The part I know, the part I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many I need to add to part 1 to give me the whole? 1, 2, 3. So I need to draw 3 more counter. All right, let's do another one. Let's use different number. So I'm gonna say whole number is 6. The part I know, so this is in all. The part I know, 5. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the part I know. So the missing part was like how many you count to reach 6 after the part you know. I can draw also 6 counters, because this is the number I have in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the one I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many I need to fill the missing part? Only 1. Okay. So let's work with our sheet and see the example we have. All right. In all, we have 8 because we're working today with 8. You're gonna choose the part you know, and then you're gonna try to find the missing part. So 8. The part you know, let's say 3. So I'm gonna write here 3. The missing part will be, it's 3 with something give you 8, or 3 plus something give you 8. If you're not ready, let's say this is my 8, I'm sorry. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of cheese. I know the part I know 3, so I'm gonna X 3. So these are the 3 I know. These are the missing part. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I have in all 8, the part I know 3, so the missing part would be 5. Okay. Again, in all 8. The part I know, let's say 6. So you can guess, you can put any part you know. For me, I'm gonna put 6. All right. Again, these are my cheese. So I'm gonna make different marks or using different colors to do this one. So for number 2, I know 6, all right? I'm gonna use markers or crayons, and I'm gonna mark 6. These are the 6 parts I know. So I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many left? I did not mark them with my blue marker or blue crayons. 2. So in all 8, part I know 6, the missing part is 2. Awesome. Let's do number 3. Again, the part you know is 8. All right, so I'm gonna use different crayons to do 8, and I'm gonna use my red crayon. All right, how many I know? What's the part I know? I will say 4. That means I need to mark 4. So I'm gonna make a circle here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna count how many that I did not circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in all 4, part I know 4, the missing part is 4. This one, number 4. In all still 8. The part you know, I will say 7. All right, so I'm gonna make some full circles here. I'm gonna make 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my all I know. The part I know, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's the missing part? 1. Or, as we say before, how many you need to add or to count to reach 8. So you have 7, after 7, 8. So I count 1 time. Over here, you know the in all's 4, and you have the part you know 4. So how many counts you're gonna count to reach 8? So the part you know is 4. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many? 4. Over here, I have 8. The part I know, 3. How many counts I will count to reach 8? Okay, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many counts did I count? 5. So will be 5. Or you can draw circles like that. X the number you know. So what's left will be the missing part. Let's do one more example here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the whole number in all, 7. I know, let's say I know 3. So 1, 2, 3. The part I know, 1, 2, 3, 3. So what's the missing part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the missing part, 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. If you want to make sure you know the answer, I have to add these 2 parts to give me my own number. So 3, and I said 4. 3 plus 4, it should equal 7. So my sentence is right. Okay, let's go back to our sheet. turn and let's go to page 46. We'll read our example, then we do the activity. There are 8 counters in all. There are 6 counters in the part you know. So these are the part I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In all 8, I know 6. How many counters are in the missing part? This is the part you know, the hidden part with the blue. This is the part that's missing, you don't know. So our mouse is thinking, I know that 6 and 2 are parts of 8. So my in all 8, the part I know 6, and as you see, try to uncover the hidden part or the missing part, and how many? 2. So you did a great job. Okay, let's work together. Find the missing part of 8, write the numbers. Remember, the whole activity for this week, for this lesson, it's gonna be missing part of 8. So your in all number will be always 8 in this activities. All right, so in all 8, the part I know 3, what's the missing? You know 3 plus what give you 8? And if you're not sure, doesn't matter, circle 8, because I have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The part you know, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and count how many counter you have missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is right. So let's trace. Okay, number 2. Again, the part you know is 8. I'm sorry, the in all number you have is 8. The part you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. The part I know is 4. What's the missing part? I know some of you know the answer already, but we're still taking our time to make sure that we understand how to get our answer. So I'm gonna draw another 8 counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The part I know 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the missing part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the missing part is 4. Awesome. Okay. In all, again 8. The part you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the part I know is 6. Do you remember 6 and what give you 8? Very good if you guess what I heard. But let's take our time and make sure we understand how to solve this problem. In all 8, so I'm gonna draw my 8 counters. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The part I know is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the missing part, 2. Very good. Okay, number 4. In all number 8, the part I know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you know 5 and what give you 8, you can put it right away. But if you need to go step by step, let's do it together. In all 8, so I'm gonna draw my 8 counters. The part I know, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The part I have to find out the missing part is 1, 2, 3. So the missing part will be 3. Awesome. Okay. Do you understand? There are 8 counters. 3 are not covered. How can you find the number of covered counters? Same thing. In all 8, I'm gonna draw my 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The part you know, 3. So the missing part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna write here, this is the part I know. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be the missing part. And these two words are written for you here all over the sheet. In total, 8. Okay, super. Let's go for page 47, independent practice. You know, this is your turn to practice what you just learned. But I'll go through with it. Find the missing part of 8. Write the numbers. So you draw the 8 counters. Find the part you know. So count the part you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then find the missing part. Number 6. In all 8, the part you know. And then the hidden part will be the missing part. You will find it. Number 7. In all 8, the part you know. 3. Find the missing part. And for number 8, in all 8, the part you know is, and then this all the missing part. And again, you do the same like here. You draw your 8 counters and you always X the part you know, and what's left will be the parts that's missing. Okay, complete the number sentence. 5 plus what equals 8? 5 plus something equals 8. So again, this is your total in all. This is one part, and that's the missing part. If I draw this here, for example, this is all what I know in all. 5 is the part that I know. So how many I need to have to get my whole number? 5, the part I know. 8 in all. The missing part will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the missing part is 3. Awesome. Now you do this. 6 plus something equals 8. Same way. All right. Okay, let's go for page 48. And let's read together number 11. Jill has 8 blocks. 6 blocks are green. The rest are pink. How many blocks are pink? Draw a picture. In all, 8. Six blocks are greens. So she knows 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are greens. You can color them green. And then the rest is pink, are pink. So how many do you think pink? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. So 2 will be pink. Your answer will be 2. Okay. There are 8 mice in all. So in all, 8. 3 mice are on the cheese. How many mice are not on a cheese? Now you know the way. I'm not going to say. You can do it. All right. There are 8 marbles in all. So total, 8 marbles. There is 1 inside. So you're drawing 1 marble inside the jar. The rest are outside. So inside, you're going to put 1 because they tell you 1. They told you 1 is inside. So 1 marble will be inside. Total, 8. So the rest are outside. Draw a picture and write how many are inside and how many outside. So you're gonna put one inside, you're gonna put the missing one outside the jar, and they are total 8. And then you're gonna write one is inside, and then when you solve your problem, you will know how many is outside. So you're gonna put the rest outside, and then you're gonna write the number for the outside marbles. After you draw them, count them, and put it here. All right? So today, it was extra practice for the previous lesson. We are doing subtraction, finding the missing parts. Last week, or last lesson, we did how to find the missing part for number 6 and number 7. Today, we use the same techniques, same strategy, but we were working with finding the missing parts of number 8. Okay, that's it for today, boys and girls. You have enough time to have fun and play with your new lesson and finish your activities. Bye-bye.